Jesus is our Comforter. Our Lord Jesus Christ, which hath loved us, comfort your hearts. 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 16 and 17. Christ is the answer to sorrow. When Harry Lauder, the great Scottish comedian, received word that his son had been killed in France, he said, "In a time like this, there are three courses open to men. He may give way to despair and become bitter. He may endeavor to drown his sorrow in drink or in a life of wickedness. Or he may turn to God. In your sorrow, turn to God." There are thousands of people who have turned to God, but you may be still carrying your burdens. God begs of you, "Cast all your cares on me, for I care for you." 1 Peter 5:7. You who must go through the valley of the shadow of death, you who must say goodbye to those whom you have loved, you who suffer privation and misery, you who are unjustly persecuted for righteousness' sake, take heart, take courage. Our Christ is more than adequate for sorrow. Prayer for the day. In sorrow, Jesus, your comfort will take all the bitterness and longing away and give me courage to face the heartache. Your grace will console me and your arms will support me. Thank you, dear Lord.